reduce interview stress. We often experience stress in interviews because we treat them like performances or auditions. Instead, if we treated interviews like conversations, which indeed they are, then most of our stress and anxiety might fade away. Here are a few simple things to help you look at interviews as conversations. Number 1, ask questions. In any good conversation, questions must come from both parties involved. If one person's asking all the questions and the other is merely answering, then it's not really a conversation. In fact, it's usually pretty boring for the person asking the questions. Get into the conversation. Engage with your interviewer. Listen for things that interest you about what your interviewer is saying that you want to know more about. Don't stress out. Just remember during your conversation to ask a question if you haven't in a while. Number 2, stay positive and remember you have nothing to lose. This is easier said than done and can take practice, but getting into a positive attitude will serve you well in interviews. When you find a place of positivity within yourself, you speak more confidently, calmly, and honestly. You believe in yourself, your experience, and qualifications. In order to get into a positive mindset, take 5 minutes before your interview to collect yourself. Try to quiet your thoughts and worries. Tell yourself there's nothing to worry about. You're only about to meet someone new and have a conversation which will be enjoyable. Remind yourself, you're qualified for the job, you're talented, you have experience, you're here to learn and challenge yourself. And no matter what happens, this is an opportunity to grow. Number 3, listen. Interviews aim to gauge how personable and genuine you are, and if you can hold a normal conversation and get along with the team you might be hired to work with. This is where listening comes in. Listening is a necessary skill to be successful in most roles. In interviews, it focuses your mind on the conversation, not on rehearsing canned answers or worrying about them. This allows you to concentrate on whatever's asked or required of you and to give an appropriate human response. Telling yourself you're going to listen, respond, engage, and converse during the interview as if you're talking with anyone can relieve anxiety and stress. Chances are you'll come across as the genuine human being that you really are. Thanks so much for tuning into this Vault video. Be sure to check out the rest of our series.